Well, hello again, everyone. Welcome to the next edition of Ask Dave here with our illustrious President and CEO, Dave Bailey. Dave, we hear a lot of discussion around the Internet of Things or IoT lately. But can you share like a real practical example of IoT and how the Arctic IT Innovate team is using that technology?
Yeah, we are taking a new opportunity right now as we speak to get into a new green application of IoT. So if you think about and you follow any of our other posts out there on LinkedIn, one of our senior account executives, Nathan Washington, is very involved with something called the Green Cities Coalition. And as part of our commitment to green cities and as part of our commitment to technology, we're actually doing a pilot project right now where we're going to deploy air quality and forest fire prevention IoT sensors into a few different forests. And we're hooking those up as air sensor points, I should say, that are attached to a 5G network that are hooked up to the internet, that put the data up into a Microsoft Azure IoT Hub reporting and management center. And we're going to start building out Power BI dashboards to show the type of data and telemetry that comes off of those devices. And this is being done with a forestry coalition in the Northeast. So we're doing a couple things there, right? We have IoT technology, we have 5G technology, we have Azure cloud technology and reporting. And at the same time, we're using that data catalog and that model to deploy these sensors and that technology as a way to go to these other green city coalitions so that they can deploy that type of information and technology themselves and get the benefit of the data that they're looking for. Most of these cities and most of these different areas, like a college campus, a large business campus, and then of course, city municipality type area, they don't have any baseline data for what their air quality currently is. And what's happened is the cost of that IoT technology, so those small sensors, has come down. The ability to gather the data and put it in the cloud has never been really less expensive than it is today. So they're able to set that new baseline so that they have something to monitor from. And that's really what the initial push of using standard IoT technology in the cloud in combination with a green initiative. So we're pretty proud of that. And the Innovate team is leading the charge.
Well, that's really cool. And it's great to get some practical how IoT is being used out there that a lot of us just don't understand. So appreciate the time with you, Dave, and appreciate all of you joining us today on Ask Dave. And look forward to another episode soon. Thank you very much.
Have a good weekend.
Ask Dave! Got a technology question you need an answer for? Send us an email at connect@arcticit.com and your question might be featured on the next edition of Ask Dave.